Oh yes, I'm tired as F, but I just thought of going to the gym. I planned to go to the gym. So, mambaze. Hey, nikwebiri mwana we. Nothing comes the easy way. You just have to put your mind to it if you want to achieve it. So yeah, let's go to the gym. Hey people, so on my quick vlog going to the gym, I take a bus to the gym. It's not that where I live I have an indoors gym. It is pure sacrifice, so I'm sweating. I am waiting for the bus, and let me show you around. That's my bus stop. Let's go. Hey, so I'm done with my workout today. It's taken about 1.5 hours. I am so proud of myself. I've been procrastinating, but I'm back to routine. And yeah, nothing comes easy. You have to go an extra mile for it, and that's why I am making this vlog. Be encouraged to go for your goals, because you alone know your struggle, and you alone will be happy and proud of yourself when you achieve your goals. Ciao.